Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Maya, and today we are going to talk about favorite movies.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Maya, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, Ryan. Thank you for asking.
That's good to hear. Before we start, this is Everyday English Flow. We upload a new video every single day.
Yes, so if this is your first time here, welcome.
And if you already watch us every day, thank you so much for your support.
So, Ryan, today's topic is favorite movies. I'm excited about this one.
Me too. I love movies. Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I do. I watch movies almost every weekend.
Same here. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh.
Oh, that's nice. Laughing is good for the heart.
That is true. What about you, Ryan? What movies do you like?
I like action movies. I enjoy fast cars and big fights.
Oh, really? That sounds exciting.
Yes, it is very exciting. My heart beats fast when I watch action movies.
I understand. Some people also like horror movies.
Do you like horror movies?
No, not really. I get scared easily.
That's okay. Not everyone likes scary movies.
True. Let's talk more about this. What is your favorite movie of all time?
That is a hard question, but I think my favorite movie is about a superhero who saves the city.
Oh, that sounds fun. I like superhero movies too.
Yes, superheroes are strong and brave. They help people.
I agree. My favorite movie is a love story. It is very sweet and emotional.
Wow, that sounds nice. Did you cry when you watched it?
Yes, I cried a lot. It was a very touching movie.
That happens to me too sometimes. Movies can make us feel many emotions.
Yes, that is the power of a good movie.
Let's talk about where you watch movies. Do you go to the cinema or watch at home?
I like both, but I prefer the cinema. The big screen feels amazing.
I agree. The sound system in the cinema is very powerful.
Yes, and the popcorn smells so good.
That's true. Popcorn and movies go together.
Do you eat popcorn when you watch movies?
Yes, always. Popcorn and a cold drink. That is my movie snack.
Same here. It is a perfect combination.
Now, let's talk about something useful for our English learners.
Yes, great idea.
When we talk about movies, we often use the word watch.
For example, I watch a movie.
That is correct. Watch means to look at something for some time, like a movie or a TV show.
That is a useful word.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example. She watches movies on the weekend.
Great example. Notice we add es because the subject is she.
That's right. With he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb in present simple tense.
For example, he watches, she watches, it plays.
Very good. Now, let's talk about past tense. Yesterday, I watched a movie.
Watch becomes watched in the past. We just add ed.
That is a regular verb because it follows a simple rule.
Yes, but some verbs are irregular. They do not follow this rule.
Can you give an example?
Yes, the verb see. In the past, it becomes saw, not seed.
That's right. I see a movie becomes I saw a movie in the past.
Exactly. Irregular verbs change their spelling completely.
This is important for our learners to remember.
Yes, there is no fixed rule for irregular verbs. We need to memorize them.
True. Some common irregular verbs are go to went, eat to ate, and see to saw.
Good examples. Now, let's continue with our topic. Maya, who is your favorite actor?
I really like an actor who plays many different roles. He is very talented.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Is he funny or serious?
He can be both, sometimes funny, sometimes very serious.
Wow, that is a great skill for an actor.
Yes, definitely. What about you? Who is your favorite actor?
I like an actor who does a lot of action movies. He always does his own stunts.
Oh, wow. That is brave. Stunts can be dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous, but it makes the movie look more real.
That is true. The audience feels more excited.
Exactly. Now, what about actresses? Do you have a favorite actress?
Yes, I really like an actress who is in many superhero movies.
Oh, that sounds fun. Is she strong in the movies?
Yes, very strong. She fights well, and she is also a good leader in the story.
That sounds like a great character.
It really is. What about you, Ryan?
I like an actress who is in many comedy movies. She always makes me laugh.
That's nice. Comedy actresses are very talented too. Timing is important in comedy.
Yes, that's true. If the timing is wrong, the joke is not funny.
Exactly. Comedy is harder than people think.
I agree completely. Now, let's talk about movie genres. Can you list some movie genres?
Sure, there's action, comedy, horror, romance, drama, and animation.
Good list. Animation movies are also very popular, especially with children.
Yes, but adults enjoy them too. Some animation movies have very deep stories.
That is true. Some animation movies I sometimes cry during.
Me too. They can be very emotional.
Let's talk about drama movies. Do you like drama movies?
Yes, I do. Drama movies show real life problems and emotions.
That's true. They feel very realistic.
Yes, sometimes drama movies teach us important lessons about life.
I agree. Movies are not just for fun, they can also teach us things.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about pronunciation for a moment.
Sure, go ahead.
The word genre is pronounced like genre. Many beginners pronounce it wrong.
That's a great tip. Let's repeat it together. Genre.
Genre. Good job, everyone.
Practice saying it slowly first, then faster.
Yes, that always helps with pronunciation.
Now let's go back to our topic. Maya, do you prefer watching movies in English or movies in your own language?
I like both, but watching English movies helps me improve my English.
Oh, that's a great idea. Watching movies is a fun way to learn English.
Yes, and listening to native speakers helps with pronunciation and listening skills.
That's right. I also recommend using subtitles when you watch movies.
Yes, subtitles help you understand and read at the same time.
This is a great tip for our listeners. If you want to improve English, watch movies with subtitles.
Yes, and try to repeat the sentences you hear. This helps with speaking practice.
Excellent advice, Maya.
Thank you, Ryan.
Now, let's talk a little more about movie soundtracks. Do you like movie music?
Yes, I love movie soundtracks. They make the scenes more powerful.
I agree. Sometimes I listen to movie music after I finish watching the movie.
Same here. Good music stays in our memory for a long time.
That's true. Music can make us feel happy, sad, or excited.
Exactly. It adds emotion to the story.
Let's talk about movie endings. Do you like happy endings or sad endings?
I prefer happy endings. They make me feel good after the movie.
I understand. What about sad endings? Do you ever like them?
Sometimes, if the story is very meaningful, sad endings can be powerful too.
That's true. Some of the best movies have sad endings.
Yes, they stay in our minds for a long time.
Now, what about you, our listeners? Do you like happy endings or sad endings?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, we would love to know your opinion.
Now, let's talk about something else. Do you like watching movies alone or with friends?
I like watching movies with friends. It is more fun to talk about the movie together.
I agree, but sometimes I also enjoy watching movies alone. It feels relaxing.
That's true too. Both ways have their own charm.
Yes, exactly. Now, let's review some useful vocabulary from today's conversation.
Great idea. Let's start with the word favorite. It means the one you like the most.
For example, this is my favorite movie.
Very good. Next word is genre. It means a type or category of movie.
For example, action is my favorite genre.
Excellent. Next word is soundtrack. It means the music in a movie.
For example, The soundtrack of this movie is amazing.
Perfect. One more word is stunt. It means a dangerous action done in a movie.
For example, he did his own stunts in the movie.
Great examples, Maya.
Thank you, Ryan.
Now, let's talk a little more about grammar. We often ask, what is your favorite movie?
That's a great question to use in daily conversation.
Yes, and we can also ask, what was your favorite movie when you were a child?
Good example. Notice we use was because we are talking about the past.
That's right. Is becomes was in the past tense for singular subjects.
Yes, and are becomes were for plural subjects or you.
Very helpful explanation, Maya.
Thank you, Ryan. Grammar is easier when we use real examples.
I completely agree.
Let's continue. Ryan, what was your favorite movie when you were a child?
When I was a child, my favorite movie was an animated movie about animals.
Oh, that sounds adorable.
Yes, it was. I watched it many times.
What about now? Has your taste changed?
Yes, a lot. Now I prefer action and superhero movies.
That's interesting. Our taste in movies often changes as we grow up.
That's very true.
What about you, our listeners? Has your favorite movie changed over the years? What about you?
Please share your thoughts in the comments. We would love to read them.
Yes, we always read your comments.
Now, let's slowly move toward the end of today's conversation.
Yes, time flies when we talk about movies.
It really does. Before we finish, let's summarize what we learned today.
Sure, we learned new words like favorite, genre, soundtrack, and stunt.
We also learned about regular and irregular verbs like watch and see.
And we practiced using was and were in the past tense.
Yes, and we also practiced pronunciation with the word genre.
This was a very useful episode for English learners.
I agree. I hope everyone enjoyed our conversation about favorite movies.
Yes, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Me too, Ryan. Talking about movies always makes me happy.
Thank you everyone for listening to Everyday English Flow.
Remember, we upload a new video every single day.
So keep practicing your English with us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!